Hi guys, welcome to another learning experience with on Cloud. My name is Melvis, and on today's video we're going to be talking about what cloud computing is. I know that a lot of times we've heard the word cloud computing, but what exactly is cloud computing? That is what we're going to be talking about in this video, and why you would want to consider a career in cloud computing without any previous IT background. Okay, but before we get straight into the video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're the first to know each time we put out content, and share this video with your friends and family if you find our video useful. Without wasting any much of our time, let's get straight into it. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet on a pay-as-you-go pricing. Basically involves storing, running of data and application over the internet instead of on your local device. And what that looks like is the workload is not on your computer, but it's on the cloud. To access it via the cloud. If the definitions still don't make any sense to you, I'll give a very simple example. In the past, if you wanted to use email, you would literally have to set up like your email server with both the physical hardware and software equipment. But thanks to cloud computing, you can now have a company host your email on their server, like Gmail. A very non-technical example would be renting a storage unit in a building instead of buying that building, where you pay on a monthly basis to store your thing. Instead of buying a whole building, you rent a space in that building where you're able to use it, store your equipment and all of that. So why is cloud computing beneficial? One, because of cost efficiency. Like I said, with cloud computing, you don't have to bother about cost. You don't have to bother about the stress of spending money, buying resources here and there. And you can literally just use a cloud platform and you pay on a monthly basis. Another reason why cloud computing is beneficial is because of reliability. It means that service provider is responsible for making sure that they put the necessary things in place to make sure that you don't lose your data. So you don't have to worry about losing your data because another company is responsible for setting up the necessary things like backup, disaster recovery. The third reason why cloud computing is beneficial is because of scalability. And scalability literally just means that the platform is able to adjust to the growing workloads. The company is the one who is responsible for making sure that they adjust to the growing workloads that you have. There are three types of cloud computing: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service basically means that the platform is in charge of the hardware while you as the individual or the company is in charge of the software. Platform as a service means that the service provider is responsible for most of the stock. Third one, which is software as a service, means that everything is run on the cloud. Now, to answer the most important part of this video, why should you consider a career in cloud computing? One, because cloud computing is literally one of the newest IT fields that there are. Cloud computing became a thing in 2006, the newest of all IT fields. It has changed so much over the years and has created massive opportunities for people to be able to upskill and get jobs. And the good thing is, with cloud computing, there's so many different roles that you can work with. You can learn cloud computing without any IT knowledge. Yes, you heard me right. You can learn cloud computing without any previous IT background. Definitely recommend this. Like, looking for an IT field to get into, you want to consider a career in cloud computing because it has massive opportunities to upskill and to work in different roles. In the next video, we're going to go into AWS. What is AWS? AWS basically is Amazon Web Services, and you probably have heard about it a lot of the times. That is the platform that we are going to be dwelling on. In the next video, we're going to go into AWS and talk about some of the services offers. Subsequently, we start going into them. Example, we start looking at IAM, we start looking at EC2, we start looking at S3, and I'm really excited about this journey. That will be all for today. If you have watched right to the end, thank you for staying with us. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like I said, have videos, and share these resources with your friends because this is an opportunity that everybody needs to jump on. I will be seeing you on the next video. Bye.